Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're just doing a quick set of sun salutations. Perfect to just get a little bit of movement into your day. So I'm doing these sun salutations with the evening sun, but they are also perfect to do in the middle of the day or as soon as you wake up. So we're going to start standing at the top of our mat and begin with some side stretches. So bring that right arm to the right leg, inhale and lift the left arm up and over. Breathe into the left side. Inhale back to the middle, reach up and exhale left hand to the left leg, inhale right arm up and over. Keep those shoulder blades on your back and try and keep the shoulders in a line. Good, bring it back to the middle, inhale, reach the arms up and exhale to fold. Begin with a bend in the knees and then try and extend the legs. Option here to come up into your halfway lift as well, sliding the hands onto the legs. Then exhale, try and fold a little bit deeper if you can, but don't push yourself here. Good, inhale, rise all the way back up to mountain, connect the palms, and exhale, hands to the side. Let's begin our sun salutations. Inhale, reach back up, look towards the hands, and upward salute. Exhale, fold. Inhale halfway, and depending on your energy level, walk it back to plank, take your flow, or head straight to that downward dog. I'm taking a little easier today, so feel free to match my energy level, or if you're feeling more energetic, take the flow. Either way, when you're in down dog, take 2 deep breaths. Inhale, walk up between the hands, come into that halfway lift. Exhale to fold, press into the feet, inhale, rise all the way up, connect the palms. Exhale, bring the hands through the middle. Inhale, reach back up, exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. And exhale, either again taking that flow or heading straight to down dog. When you're in that down dog, tuck the ribs in, find that length in the back. Press with the shoulders, grip with the fingers. And lengthen through the legs, reaching the heels towards the mat. Next, inhale, walk to the top of the mat, come into a halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, press into the feet, rise all the way back up, upward salute, and mountain pose. We're going to take 2 more brief side bends here. So right hand to the right leg, inhale, left arm up and over. Exhale to the middle. Inhale, left hand to left leg, right arm up and over. Exhale, back to the middle. And inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale to fold. Inhale halfway, and then exhale back to your plank. Take a breath here, and again, take your flow, or lift those hips up and back to down dog. Press the hips up once you're in that down dog. Breathe, try and let go of any tension. Good, shift your weight onto that left foot and inhale, raise the right leg up. Tuck it into the chest and step it between the hands. Pivot on the left foot so it's in a 45-degree angle. Then inhale, rise up to warrior 1, connecting the palms. Exhale, bring the hands to the mat. Step the right foot back. Take your flow, or again, downward facing dog. Take it easy today. Get that base on the right foot. Inhale, raise the left leg up. Exhale, round through the back, step it between the hands, pivot on the back right foot, 45-degree angle. Then inhale, rise up to warrior one. Exhale, bring the hands to the mat, lift that left leg up, and either take the flow or head to down dog. Taking a lot of time in down dog today, just see if you can find that relaxing alignment every time you enter. Releasing the neck, the head, allowing the length in those hamstrings. Good. Next, inhale, walk up to the top of the mat. Inhale to a halfway lift and exhale to fold. Next, inhale, rise all the way back up. Come into that upward salute, connecting the palms. And then exhale, fold down again into your forward fold. Inhale halfway. And exhale, step that right leg back, lowering the knee to the mat. Inhale to lift the chest. Exhale, either take your flow or head to down dog. Sink those heels to the mat. Keep that bend in the knees if you need it. See how deep you can breathe in your down dog. Notice the sensations. And then lift that right leg up this time. Step it between the hands. Now lowering the left knee to the mat. Inhale to lift the chest. Lift off of that left knee. Step it forwards. Inhale halfway. Exhale to fold. Maybe you can try and tuck the fingers under the toes for a really deep forward fold, but don't push yourself. Rise back up to mountain, connect the palms with an inhale. Exhale, bring the hands to the side. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, fold. Inhale halfway. Exhale, this time we're going to step the left leg back first. Bring the same knee that was just to the mat back to the mat. Inhale to lift the chest. Exhale to step that right foot back. Take your flow or head to down dog. Revisit the alignment, revisit the breathing. Revisit the places you hold tension. Maybe try and go a little bit deeper if your body feels comfortable. Good. Inhale, raise the left leg. Exhale, round it forward. Step between the hands. Lower the right knee to the mat and lift the chest. Lift off that right knee, step it forwards, inhale halfway, and exhale to fold. Really getting into those hamstrings with these sun salutations today. Press into the legs, inhale, rise all the way up, connect the palms. Exhale, bring the hands through the middle this time. From here, we're just going to add a few neck circles. So if you've just woken up or you've been sitting all day, it's really important to release the tension we often hold there. Make sure the movement is nice and controlled. And if you feel like it, you can hold the head to one side, stretching the side of your neck, and then to the other side. Bring it back to the middle. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale to take a seat on the mat. We'll just close off the practice with a deep breath in this comfortable seated position. Then inhale to reach the arms up And exhale to fold, thanking yourself for practicing today, and maybe remembering one thing which you're grateful for that happened today. When you're done, rise back up, and we'll finish there. Thank you so much for joining me. Adding just 10 minutes of movement can make a world of difference. So thank you again, and I hope to see you next time.